Sunday?
Well, it's relatively new. I've been here maybe 5 days, so just still trying to get acclimated with the team, see how I can help, be aggressive, and just bring that energy and get wins.
And now we'll have with us Converge head coach, Coach Delta Pineda as well. Now, Coach Delta, congratulations. You beat the #1 team in your bracket. Gaano malaking bagay po itong panalo na ito, back-to-back wins going to the spring?
Back to back, but I think we need more adjustment on our defense. Imagine they don't have import, but it's a close game. So more adjustment this coming break, more adjustment for us on the defense.
And now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, paano mo ma-describe nila ni Juan kasi he was clutch yung 4 points niya after mo kay Berto, tapos jump shot at free throws nila.
He take charge on the crucial minutes, seconds. One take charge. Hindi naman ang sinabi ko sa kanya na needs to take charge. So he did his part, guys. Juan is a great player. So yung mga crucial moment na ganon, we can go for one.
Congratulations on winning. Of course, the other side, the other sport, were you purposely really trying to assert yourself early on in the game?
Yeah, I'm just trying to be aggressive. I know they didn't have an import, so just trying to cause a matchup problem and attack and get my teammates open shots. So at the end of the day, man, it's just a great win. We got to keep this momentum rolling. We just got to keep building that chemistry. Like Coach said, on the defensive end, we got to figure a couple things out and just keep on rolling.
You mentioned that you're still acclimatizing and trying to get chemistry, but how does it feel to get 2 wins out of your first 2 games?
Say it again, sorry?
How does it feel to be 2-0 despite you trying to get chemistry with your teammates here at Converge?
It's good. Anytime you win, that helps the morale. So, like I said, we just got to build on this going into the break and just keep these wins rolling and get acclimated with each other and build that chemistry.
Nung dulo, medyo napakababa ng na-assume ba ni LJ yung 4-point shots ni Paul pa?
Na yung matanda ko nawala lang sa doon dapat siya magpa-foul sa napapaul doon sa huli. Kaya nagtawanan na lang kami. Pabayaan na natin sa kanya yun. Okay naman yan. Nag-best player naman nung nakaraan.
Pero kung ganun lang masasabi mo sa last 2 games si Calvin na papakita ng laro niya?
Yung leadership ni Calvin inside the court. Now I realize hindi po pwedeng puro bata, young guys only on the court. I need a veteran, kailangan ko ng matanda sa loob ng court para we make sure na yung purpose na yung play namin ma-execute na maigi. And then the energy on defense. Kita niya naman.
Good evening. So at least you're going to the break na you're on a 2-game winning streak. At least mas maganda yung magiging simula nyo entering into the second game.
First, thank God kasi yung pinagdaanan namin na 4 consecutive loss, mabigat po yun. But after our meeting with the guys, my meeting with the guys, one-on-one with the guys, so 2 consecutive game na itong output namin. So it means we are one. I mean, Yung goal namin is andun na. We go for the team. We go for our family, which is the team. So, somebody should sacrifice. Kaya kung sino yung mga nagkiklik, doon ako nagpupunta right now.
And that ends our post-game press conference. Thank you, gentlemen, for your time today.
Thank you. Nice. Thank you.